Good morning, students. I, Rajesh Bala, your social science teacher, will teach you today chapter 2nd, People as Resource, part 5th. In this part, we will read about the unemployment. What is unemployment and how it is measured? According to the International Labour Organization, unemployment is defined as people of working age who are without work, available for work, and actively seeking employment. You can see here the situation of the country, that how much unemployment is there in rural as well as urban areas. Mostly we can see in our country educated people are unemployed. What are the consequences of unemployment? As this is the situation of a person, when a person is willing to do work but not find job, this is a situation when he is not able to earn money, maybe the dangerous consequences of this problem. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resource. People who are an asset for the economy turn into liability. There is a feeling of hopelessness and despair among youth. People don't have enough money to support their families. Inability of educated people who are willing to do work and find gainful employment implies a great social waste. Unemployment tends to increase economic overload. The dependence of unemployed on the working population increases. Yes, the manpower, the resource, which is the best resource, that become waste. People, they are asset for the country, they turn into liability. And the feeling of hopelessness make a person very poor and weak. Inability of educated people is a very poor situation of any person and for the economy of any country. It make a country's economic situation poor. Dependence of unemployed people on working population is also a bad symbol for the poor economy, because the people, those are unemployed, they are consuming. They are not producing anything, but they are consuming everything. So they are depend on the working population. The quality of life of an individual as well as of society is adversely affected when a family has to live on a bare subsistence level. Bare subsistence level means the requirement which are very important for us, basic needs of our, we use these requirements, we use these resources at minimum level. This is known as bare subsistence level. There is a general decline in its health status. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of depressed economy. It also wastes the resource which could have been gainfully employed. If people cannot be used as a resource, they naturally appear as a liability for the economy. Now, what are the steps to reduce unemployment? Reconstruction of agriculture. We can bring some changes in agriculture so that people, they can take interest more and more in this field as well. Adoption of labor intensive techniques so that people, they can do work easily and they can take interest in their work. Rapid industrialization is must. Population control is must, as in India large population is there, very difficult to give employment to every person. Reorientation of education system so that new system can come in our country, so that new ideas may come. Encouragement of small enterprises so that they can dare to use the resources and to do production. Guiding centers and more employment exchanges can be created. Yes, by using these methods we can reduce unemployment. Thank you. Next we will do in our next video.